Hi, my name is Rajveer Singh Dilan.
Hi, my name is Harshil Chandekar.
Hi, my name is Krisha.
Hi, we at BioKit make cost-effective kits that help people easily make biogas at the comfort of their home.
As we know, 30 to 40% of our food gets wasted in Kenya alone, which ends up in landfills, therefore rotting and producing greenhouse gases such as...
Our product, BioKit, uses a digester which contains bacteria which breaks down the waste into biogas which consumers can use for cooking or for producing electricity, also providing them with liquid fertilizer for their farms. This helps as it reduces the total amount of waste which goes into landfills, thus reducing the amount of methane which is released into the atmosphere.
Our products are produced at low cost, and this due to the easy availability of resources used to make the kits. Therefore, our sales will be higher, leading to higher profit. The product can be packaged by hand and assembled at home and can be scaled up to a warehouse where packaging and assembly can be handled by machines.
Our business uses recycled materials compared to our competitors, who buy their materials from hardware shops, hence making their products more expensive compared to ours. And since we use recycled materials, we benefit the environment around by reducing the waste.
Our team is the best fitting for this business because I and my team boost great skills of strategization and marketing, and we will have a one-on-one relationship with our customer for great product satisfaction.